Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a fifth wheel hitch in your GMC Sierra can lead to some amazing adventures in heavy duty towing. Now let's take a look at how to install this OEM Puck System base rail adapter. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. This Puck System adapter is designed for when you own your fifth wheel hitch head and you do not want to replace it, but your new truck has a puck system. The adapter is going to solve that. Now let's take a look at how we install it. Begin with opening the caps on your puck system. This is for the puck system gooseneck ball. It can stay covered for use with the adapter. Remove the safety latch pin holding the two handles in place and open them up. Lower the cam locks into the truck and tighten them snugly. The greatest feature of this puck system adapter is the fact that it will work on different manufacturers' puck system. For Chevy and GM products, make sure the handles are facing to the outside of the vehicle. For Ford products, the handles will be on the inside. When handles won't close or are too loose, we will go ahead and adjust the castle nut. Use needle nose pliers to remove the cotter pin. Use a 24mm tool to loosen or tighten the castle nut. The divots in the castle nut will need to line up to the pass-through for the cotter pin. So in this instance, I will move it one rotation and insert the cotter pin. Be sure to rebend the cotter pin so it does not come out. And test the handle. Now you can reinsert your safety latch pin. We will also address this very loose handle by tightening it up one rotation. We can now insert the rails into the adapter. Ford, you will use the first and third mounting holes. For Chevy and GM, we will use the third and fifth mounting holes in the rail that will line up in the adapter. We can now insert the provided hardware. There will be a carriage bolt and flange nut for each of the 8 mounting locations. Now repeat for the second rail and the remaining hardware. We can now tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications. I will link them in the description below. We're going to use a 19mm deep well socket. You're now ready to install your existing fifth wheel hitch head. That concludes the installation of the Curt OEM Puck System adapter. You're now ready to hit the road and take on your adventure. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and we can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.